We do have another caller. We have a caller from Bristol. Veldina, go ahead with your call, please.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay, my question is this. On July 20th, I had a tow truck to deliver my van home to my yard from Tallahassee, Florida. And in the process of, unloading the van, he did not, it was a flatbed truck. And in the process of him leaving, he backed into another vehicle in our yard. It's a classic car that we keep for our grandson when he gets old enough to give to him. Well, he backed into it and he broke the tail light on it and caused some other damage. So he's kind of like been waffling on resolution, and I've been trying to work with him on it. And he basically is considering our car to be like abandoned because he says it's not ran in 3 years, there's no insurance on it, even though you have a tag. He doesn't feel like he needs to pay anything for it. All I want him to do is give us his insurance information, that his insurance company come out, look at it, and assess the damage, because sometimes there's unseen damage once you get into making repairs.
Sure. And
I don't think he understands this. I'm just not sure. He's being very obstinate. What can I do short of taking him to small claims court?
Well, Veldina, I made a point a while ago. If insurance companies did the right thing, obviously you wouldn't need attorneys. And if people did the right thing, you wouldn't need attorneys. And I'm sorry that you're in this situation, but you are doing the right thing by even discussing this. And I'm sure you're frustrated. I really am into cars. I love cars. I understand what you're talking about. When you have a minor incident on the surface, you may have a lot more damage up under. You start peeling back the layers like on an onion. The simple short answer is get an attorney and get someone to get his attention. If he doesn't want to provide you with his insurance information, a lot of that stuff is on file, especially if he is a tow truck driver, if he's doing any type of interstate or intrastate, actually,
right.
Either or. He has to file that with the proper agencies. You can find that information out. Get an attorney to represent you. And I'm sorry that you're going through this, but I can assure you, you get an attorney, you serve him some papers, the old classic saying, I'm going to get you served. Well, let me tell you what, you get that young man served, and I'm sure that you will get his attention. And I wouldn't go as far as small claims court. You may want to file it in a court with a larger, broader jurisdiction, because your damage amount may exceed the small claims court.
It sounds like something that should be resolved that hasn't been resolved. There's a special letter that we can at least provide a form to you, Veldina, and it asks for specific insurance information. Failure to do so could result in additional attorney's fees should you need to hire somebody.